Hi guys, what's up? I'm Deepranjan from the H-Tech. In this video, I will unbox my brand new monitor, which is the Dell S2240L. Well, this is a popular monitor at a very affordable price with good feature. That is why I bought this. And I had needed monitor because I was using a CRT monitor, which was painful for me to play games and editing videos and other stuff. Okay, now let's see what is inside the box. First, got a VGA cable. And this is a part of stand, and I will show you how to set up. Next, got some documentation with a driver CD. Next, got a power cable, and they also provide a power adapter. And here's the down part of the stand, which is made by very high quality plastics and metal also. And finally, the monitor. As you can see, it is fully wrapped around with thermocols and plastic, which is pretty cool. Now quickly remove the plastic. And here's the monitor itself, fully black. And backside, Dell provides audio output, HDMI, VGA and power port, which is enough for the price. Okay, now let's set up the stand. First connect this, next lock the screw, and then just connect the stand into the monitor. That's it. My first impression about this monitor is the design. And you can see everything is black, and it is a borderless monitor too. That's why skin looks beautiful when the monitor is off. And basically it is a 21.5 inch 1920 by 1080 pixel IPS LED panel, which provides really high quality picture. Right downside corner, they provide some buttons which is for controlling brightness, preset modes like gaming, multimedia and something like that. Power key also, and you can also change all the things without pressing any key, but for that you have to install the driver CD. That is pretty cool. Well, that was my unboxing and first impression. So if you are looking for a monitor around 9,000, just buy it. It is really a cool monitor which has good feature like HDMI, audio output, full HD and beautiful screen. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to click like and subscribe button.